Hey, cute people. Yeah, I've been shopping at Dollar Tree. Really, who is not going to go near a Dollar Tree and not go in to buy something? I don't care what it is. There's certain things that I buy from Dollar Tree every time I go in, but there's always some new stuff. So, a lot of these things that I'm showing you today are things that have been around for quite some time, but you know what? I'm going to show you A anyway, B because my Dollar Tree are just getting them in right now. But the things I'm most excited to show you are things that I'm going to be using now for my summer garden on my back patio. Yes, I'm going to make an attempt to grow quite a few things. I'll show you in a minute. But one thing I want to share with you are some things I think you need to have from Dollar Tree because these are essentials. You may not think you need them, but trust me when I tell you, you really, really do. One thing I tell you that you need, because I have one in my stuff in New York, and I didn't realize how much I really did need, so I picked up a ruler. This is a magnifying ruler. And like I mentioned, you may not think you need one, but you do. Another thing you need to have in the house at all times are some gloves. If you are doing anything with chemicals to your hair, maybe you don't want to touch raw meat, it could be anything. Always have these gloves on hand. Now, how many times have you need to put something in the mail, a couple of sheets, and you need to staple them up. You may not have the biggest stapler, one of those expensive staplers, but you need to staple something. This right here works great. Get you a stapler. You gotta have one in the house. It's like a home essential. Something else I think you should have, which I thought was a great deal, was this long reach and pickup. Yes, see? You got the squeeze it here. Now it looks like it's gonna work pretty well, so we're going to find out. I haven't taken off the package as you can see, but I think it's gonna work pretty well. I'm really excited about using it. Something else that I got that I think you need to have, yes, especially if you like candles, and that is the lighter, $1. I know at Dollar General, they sell this thing for like $2.99, I believe. No, it's not $1.99. Yeah, I think it's $2.99. Don't get caught without one, and then you have to go to Dollar General and get one for almost $3. $1. I thought this was really cute, so I got this here, and I'm going to give it to my son because I don't believe he has a keychain. He doesn't have an awful lot of keys, but he does need this. And it's a flashlight and a bottle opener keychain. It has the batteries included in it, y'all. I thought this was really cute. Kind of bulky, but it's cute, and I think that he will really, really like it. And if you drink wine like me, you need to pick up one of these bottle stoppers. And this one says Living Lush. And they didn't have a lot of cute designs, but this is the one that I think I liked, or maybe I like what it said, Living Lush, because I could live, well, not really lush, but I thought it was cute. There it is. Plug up that wine so it won't get flat on you, because it will. And then I picked this up here, which I thought was really cute. I saw this first, and this one here, it says Our Prayers. And it's just a little jar. You can write little prayers in if you like. That's what I'm going to use it for. Just stick them in here. And then later on, maybe at the end of the year, you can go back and look at them. And it has a little piece of paper here, but it's just a paper with little sayings on it. I'm not sure what it's supposed to be for because it says it's for decorative use only. So on one side, it has some little affirmations, and you can't see it. It has affirmations and some Bible verses, and the other side is blank. So maybe you can use these to put into your prayer jar. I just thought this was really, really cute. I'm not even sure where I'm going to keep it, but I like this here. And then another thing that caught my fancy that I saw, and I said, oh, you know what? I need that too. I think I bought this, I can't remember if I bought them at the same time, but I thought this was so cute. And it's a little prayer box, yeah, and it's made out of tin. You open it up, it looks like it's falling apart already. And you open it up and it has a pin. and some paper. You can write your little prayer on, well, your big prayer, and then you put it in the box here, which of course I do intend to do, but it looks like it's breaking, but it looks like I can fix it. But I really like this. I thought it was really, really cute. They had other designs, but I guess this is the one that I really liked. So I picked this one up here. And those two prayer items I do plan on using. Now, something else that I picked up that really, really shocked me an awful lot, because these have been around for a long time. I could just never find them in my Dollar Tree. I hauled two of these not long ago because I just happened to get them. They have been so popular for the longest time. I want to say at least a year or more. Well, I know it's a year or more. Remember these? They're just coming to my Dollar Tree. Just coming. And the good thing about it, these things are not flimsy. These things are made very, very, very well for $1. So I got two of these styles here. You know, they're going to come in handy for something. What? I don't know. But they are really going to come in handy because they are so cute. And then I saw these. Now, these are the ones that I really wanted. This is the stackable organizing drawer. This is the one I really wanted. Yeah, I didn't even take the plastic off this one. They had quite a bit of these. Like this one, when I saw it, they maybe had about 7, 8 of these. They had a whole lot of these. I only picked up 7. I should have got all of them. But I only picked up 7, and I gave my mom one because they're so cute. And I think I'm going to do something like this with them. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with it, but I had stopped worrying about getting these because I end up getting the makeup storage drawer there, which comes in great handy, and of course I love it. Now, something else I want to show you guys here. I'm sticking with beauty, I think. Or did I even really start with beauty? Wait, did I show you this? I don't think so. Lately, I've been seeing a lot of people painting their nails black. Well, it appears to be black. And I know I have a black nail polish, but I don't have the black nail polish here with me in North Carolina. So I picked up a black nail polish, Wet n Wild. And the funny thing is, I like Wet n Wild's nail polishes. They aren't bad at all, right? I picked up this because I got to do my hair tonight. I don't think I'm going to use this evening. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with my hair because I need to do something to it. I haven't washed it, and this is about the 2nd week, and I don't have that kind of hair. I have the kind of hair that needs to be washed and deep conditioned each week. But I picked these up because we've all heard of Hask, right? So I got the Repairing Argan Oil, and then I got the Nourishing Coconut Oil. These are both conditioning treatments, and one thing about it is enough that I will be able to use them several times, maybe even 3 times. So I got these, which I was surprised to even see that. And then I also got a hand cream, Utterly Smooth. I had been seeing this there a lot, and I just always passed it. But I think I saw a commercial. These are sold at, this is also sold at Walgreens, Walmart, you know, major drug retailers. So I got that. Always have on hand these trimmers here. I'm not sure if I even call them trimmers. I just see the name here because you got to have one for your eyebrows. I use one because I don't have a lot of underarm hair. I use one for that, and you can use one for your bikini, shave your face, whatever. These are always great to have. And remember, they are so inexpensive. Use it for a while and then throw it away. I don't know what I'm looking at, but yeah, I ate, so maybe I'm just a little bit sleepy. And I also picked up this item here. I thought it was cute. It's a Shea Butter Hand Cream, and it's shaped like a pear. And it's so cute. But the one thing I can tell you is not a lot of here. I mean, I only paid $1 for it, right? So should I really be so picky? It has a nice scent to it, and you can see you don't get a lot of cream, but I really wanted to try because I want to put this on my desk, and I thought this would be so cute. You know, I don't know, I can't remember, I should say, what the other fruits were, but if I had thought about it, I would have gotten them all so that way I could have, you know, because they're so decorative. Look, after you finish with it, it's just so cute. Sit it on the desk, and you know, make it a part of the decor in your home. Okay, So I don't even remember. Did I show y'all these? Yeah, I got 2 of these, right? Okay. And I did show you the drawer. Now remember, I am going to try to start a backyard garden this year. So wish me luck. But this is what I got. I want to grow some sage, radish, lavender, and definitely some tomatoes. I've been wanting to plant some tomatoes since I got down here. So Dollar Tree has, you get 4 for $1, was it? Even though the pack says 99 cents each, and it says it's ideal for containers. So since these are all ideal for containers, I decided to go ahead and try them. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna take a look at them this evening and see which ones I should be planting like right about now. Because I really want some really pretty tomatoes. I'll be so excited. I'll keep you guys updated on how it comes out. Yes, I will. And because I do have plants in the house, and some of them don't have the drainage. I don't know what you would call them, but they seem to be calling these things sources. So this is the 10-inch, and it has 3. And then I have the 8-inch and the 6-inch. So it's 4 and then 6 in this one here. So if you have plants, this will come in handy, because a lot of times you'll buy a nice planter and it doesn't have the drainage. That's what I call them. And I thought this right here was so cute. Was too cute. Oh my goodness, they had these in really, really pretty colors. I think I'm going to leave this outside. I'm not sure. But with all the spiders in my house, this thing will be full of spiders until I figure out how to get rid of those babies. But I thought this was really pretty. It's not really big, as you can see. But I thought it was really, really pretty because of the color. Something else that I picked up, because I do plan on having more plants in the front of my home, and then I may want to move them around. I got some planter trolleys, and I thought this was a great price. I got 3 different colors, as you can see, and they have wheels on the bottom because it's a trolley, so you'll be able to move the plant around. Right. I thought this was really cute, and like I said, I got all 3 colors. I have one on the trolley outside now, and I got these little planters here so that I can start my seeds. So I got 3, and I thought this is really cute. And then I got these 2 here because I want to put some more things out in the front of my home. So I got this, and especially this one here because it's so pretty and blue and really, really nice. And for $1, these are great quality. Really, really nice. And I thought this was really nice too, especially to go outside. It looks like something that should be outside, right? And this, of course, too, because it's just a pretty, pretty color. I know they have red. I'm going to go back and get a red one because I just want really bright stuff in the front of my home. But, yeah. So, here it is. Really, 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 really pretty. And like I said, I am getting ready to get my garden going. I'm going to try to see what it is I can do within the next week. Yo, so this is my Dollar Tree haul. I am not going to keep you guys any longer because me, myself, I have got things to do. So I'm going to end this video because this girl needs to do her hair like really, really bad because I haven't washed it like in about a week, 2 weeks. And I bought some new stuff that I want to try out. So I'm going to, get busy doing my hair. But listen, I would love it very much if you are here watching this video that you subscribe to my channel and become a part of the cute gang. Yes, the cute gang. I mean, I always call you guys cute people, so we should just have a cute gang and you should just all join. Hit that notification bell so that you'll know when I upload videos. I'm going to try to do much better than I am. But again, not keeping you long. I'm going to go do something to my hair. And listen, guys, I just want to say, do nothing but share and spread love. I will definitely see you guys in the next video. One is coming soon. Trust me.